Gong practice number 281. Today is Saturday, February 27th, 2021. Currently 10:56 a.m. for me. Nice and stormy day behind me. Rain's coming down. It's crazy. Got up this morning, went down and had an hour and a half of yoga down at the park. A little bit of rain, mostly sunshine. Beautiful guidance by my amazing instructor. She's transformed my life. This body, I mean, you can see even from a year ago when I started making videos, like just how much different I've changed. This body's let go of so much. And I just actually was I went to a restaurant last night. I went to this Loving Hut restaurant, vegan place down here, and it's awesome off King Street, downtown. Anyway, I went there and I went there 4 years ago. I've gone there, not a bunch, but I've gone there more than any other restaurant, I guess, but I don't go out very often. But I haven't been there like in a year with COVID going on and everything shut down or whatever. So I go there and I start talking to the lady, and I don't know her name. I mean, I've been there, I should know her name, talking about how many times I go there, but I don't. And anyway, she started telling me all about her restaurant. I said, I know, I've been here before. I started coming here like 2017, November 2017 is the first time I came over there. And why do I remember stuff like that? Because it was the first place I went and ate on my own as an adult, it seemed. Honestly, it seems kind of weird. For me, it was the first. It was also breaking out of my shell a little bit of understanding who I was or who I am and learning about myself. So anyway, she was telling me about the restaurant. I told her I'd been there before, and she says, "But I have a mask on too." And then we start talking, and then I show her a picture of what I looked like before, and she's just like, "Wow, you look totally different person. Wouldn't even think it was the same person." And then she remembered who I was, but she said, you lost a lot of weight." And I said, "No, I got rid of it. There's a difference. And this is something that I share with other people, and there is a difference, and so I'll share it with you. Losing weight. If you think about losing anything, you try to find it. You ever lose your keys? You lose your wallet, you lose your purse. What do? You instantly start looking for it. Your mind starts racing, trying to figure out where it's at. You're in a frantic panic looking for it because you're losing it because you want to find it. We're programmed to not want to lose anything. Nobody wants to be a loser, right? But have you ever lost your trash? Have you ever went like, oh no, where'd my garbage go? Where's that rotting stuff breaking down, decomposing? Where's that trash? Do you ever lose your trash? No, you get rid of your trash. And that's what you need to do about your weight. Any excess weight, you get rid of it as you would with trash. You don't lose it. Because if you say I'm trying to lose weight, or I'm losing weight, or I've lost weight, then subconsciously you go look for it. And your body will find it. And you'll create this cycle. And it's a thing that I don't know, I wouldn't want to say that all the weight loss people understand this, but maybe they do. To keep you in a perpetual cycle of trying to figure it out. To keep you in a cycle of, oh, I want to lose weight, but subconsciously you're programmed to not want to lose, so you keep fighting. So you'll lose those 50 pounds and you'll find them. And at a point to be able to lose, you have to gain. You'll gain more to lose more. That's what will happen. So I explained this last night to the lady. I was like, no, I got rid of it. I freely get rid of everything that no longer serves me every single day. And I need to work on that more, because as I just said it as if it was so certain, it's not for me that true, because not every single day I get rid of shit. I dwell on the past too much. I think about things I could have done differently. Not that I can go back and change it, but at least realize or learn from those experiences and not repeat them or cause any issue towards anybody else, but to go back and dwell, and I shouldn't spend so much time in the past, because all we have is right now. We don't have tomorrow. Yesterday's gone, so all I have is right now to just speak freely into this camera. So anyway, it was just really nice though, to be able to, it was just, I don't know, I've been out of it, I guess, in some ways this whole year making these videos. Not out of it for making the videos, but just 2020 was a weird year, a transitional year, something. See, it's supposed to be You know, it was a year of clarity, a year of perfect vision, a year of seeing everything and understanding everything and seeing it for what it is. But a lot of it I already knew. I've known for a long time. The whole world, it can be beautiful for sure. It can be beautiful, but there's a lot of darkness in the world. There is, trying to take control. But we're rising. We're raising the vibration of the planet. We're coming into a new age of being, a new understanding of what we are. Infinite energy inside these vessels. These vessels are just here for our experience. In a way, it's no different than a dream, because at some point when these bodies give out, we'll wake up somewhere else. And perhaps we'll dream of these realities. We'll have faint flashes of different things. And that's how you can go into a dream for a couple hours and seem like a lifetime. Because maybe you're just remembering. Or maybe you're just hopping timelines. There's so many different maybes because we don't know, but we do know. And this is also, we don't even know, honestly. The first law of thermodynamics, is it true? If it's true, energy cannot be created or destroyed. It can be transferred. It always is. It always will be. It can be transferred. It can be manipulated, but you cannot create energy. If that is true, who created that rule? I don't know. I should know. Maybe I should know. But if that's true, energy can't be created or destroyed, then we're forever. What's inside of us is forever. Because the energy inside of us is forever. I mean, it's energy. So it's forever. If it's forever, then this is all just a temporary experience. So there's really no reason to worry about anything. This is just a little dream. It's a magical, magical dream. And part of my magical dream is playing the gong, because it helps me every single day. It helps me take 30 minutes to be present. Not let my mind wander. Oftentimes I just end up looking at the floor and just go into a trance. I don't even know. I'm just staring at the carpet with no thought and just striking the gong. And I look up and 20 minutes have passed. And I'm like, oh, I don't know where I went for those 20 minutes, but I think I needed it, right? That's what I do. I love it. The gongs changed my life, help reshift, help realign me. Huge shifts, huge changes. And every day I play because it feels so good to play, and then I want to send, create, share positive vibrations around the planet, around the universe. Sound waves go forever. You'll hear them, they'll pass through you, and they'll continue, and that ripple will continue. Just as your actions will continue. Everything you do will continue. When you speak words, they go forever. Words, thoughts, actions, energy, impulses will carry on. There's a ripple. And so what I try to do is just create a ripple of good. Nothing but love coming from me. No ill will, no harm. Give right thought, right words, and right action. Contemplate. Don't react. Understand. Be compassionate. Be generous. These are all things that I am because I can be. Because I understand that this is just temporary. And you can be anything that you want to be. And I choose to put love out there because I feel like the world is so much better if there's just love. Love's the answer. I truly believe that. And so now that I've talked for 8 minutes and 9 minutes now, I'll start playing the gong. All you need to do is close your eyes, lay down, and breathe. But you might want to lay down before you close your eyes. Or if you want to create your own little healing space, get out some candles or essential oils, crystals, oracle cards, incense, sage, whatever it may be. If you channel energy, if you're a Reiki practitioner and you want to channel some Reiki energy into you, do a little healing session while you're getting these sounds, then do that. It'd be great. That's what I do. I'll channel some energy actually before I start playing. Once I say I'm going to start playing, I'll just meditate for a couple minutes, channel some energy, and then when I start playing, I'll just blast some more love, just bring some more love, bring some more vibration, bring some more healing. And it's all coming to you. So all you need to do is, like I said, lie down, close your eyes, focus on your breath, noise canceling, Noise canceling headphones if you have them. Noise canceling headphones if you have them. I recommend them. They're not needed. Turn off your cell phone, anything that may distract you. If you want to be awake, you can be awake. Do not drive a car, operate any heavy equipment, or do not do anything that needs a lot of attention. You may zone out. You may honestly just trance-like state. You don't want anything to happen to you or anybody else. These sounds are going to move through you. They're going to shift things, and all you need to do is accept it. As you lie down, actually just think, I accept these sounds. I accept what they're doing. I freely accept it. Accept it, embrace it. Let the sounds flow through you. And all you need to do is focus on your breath. Your mind may start wandering. Just come back to your breath. You may feel the need to sneeze or cough or move around or twitch or whatever. You may feel a crawling sensation on you, tingling sensations. Just accept all of it. It's just the sounds. Allow it. Don't resist it. If you need to cough, cough. If you need to sneeze, sneeze. If you need to do whatever you need to do, then do it, because the sounds are moving things inside you. That's what they're doing. Their vibrations going in and just shaking things up a bit, helping them settle the way they need to settle. So go ahead and lie down and focus on your breath. I'm going to move my camera, hit pause, stop, whatever. Channel some energy, play for 30 minutes, and I'll wake you up when it's done. It's really quite simple. Thank you for being here. Nothing but love for everyone out there. Nothing but love for everybody. I love you. Thank you for being here, taking a moment, 30 minutes. Breathe. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. You'll see me in 30 minutes. Slowly bring your attention back to yourself. Nice deep breath in through your nose. Wiggling your fingers and toes as you let it all go. Take all the time that you need to come back into your body. A moment of appreciation, of gratitude, of being present with the sounds. How do you feel? Take note. Write it down in a journal. It may take you a while to come back into your body. Take all the time that you need. This is your moment. Coming back into this reality. Where did you go? What did you see? How do you feel? I feel great. It was a great practice for me. Now I'm going to share the 5 principles of Reiki because I do that every single day. Just for today I will not anger. Just for today I will not worry. Just for today I'll be grateful. Just for today I'll be kind to others. And just for today I'll focus on my work. Those 5 things I think about every single day to help me stay centered, and help me remember that it is just for today. That's all we have this very moment, honestly, is the now. We don't have, yesterday's gone. Tomorrow may not come. It's just for today. Make sure that you're putting love out there today. Laugh more, love more, smile more. Have a beautiful day, beautiful now. Enjoy your weekend. Enjoy whatever it is, whatever you got going on, enjoy it. And smile. It's good to smile. Spread smiles. Like, smiles are infectious. They're contagious. I smile. Then you smile. And then somebody else smiles. And somebody else smiles. And you got like a miles and miles of smiles. Should be a song. You can write it. Have a beautiful day. Thank you. I love you.